set, go. It's made up of 3 million individual parts working as one. It's constructed on site by a team of technicians and specialists meshing together like clockwork. From that first part to the last, total construction time is an amazing 51 days from start to finish. Laid out end to end, the Emirates Boeing 777 contains 134 miles of cables and wires. From one side to the other, it's as wide as 2 football fields. It's over 6 stories tall and nearly as long as a New York City block. Its landing gear is comprised of 14 wheels capable of carrying a total load of 777,000 pounds. And the hours spent on pre-flight testing add up to more than a full week. Completing the package are twin engines, the largest ever on a commercial airliner, with each generating an incredible 115,000 pounds of thrust. The end result is one incredible flying experience. Welcome aboard the Emirates Boeing 777.